Alright. We back with a video today, and before I start, I always gotta start off with my giveaway. Don't forget the $500 giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. So the giveaway is you gotta subscribe. That's one. Always subscribe. You gotta watch one full video. If you watch this video, then that's one full video, and then you gotta comment done under the video that you watch. Y'all keep doing it wrong, and I gotta keep telling you. That's why I keep putting in every video. But today, we are doing lemon pepper chicken. And right now, I'm just cleaning my chicken. Now me, I got a weird thing about chicken. Y'all about to see it now. I'm about to flip my chicken. I always like to put it, how it is in the pack. So I don't know why I do that. I just always do that. So, I don't know. I guess it gives me more space for my chicken. I don't know. I just always do that. I love it. That's how I do it. How it is in the pack is how I put it on the pan. So, right now, I'm cleaning. Just clean my chicken. Now, me, I've been seeing a lot of videos about people like, oh, y'all gotta clean your chicken. Y'all gotta do it with the lemons and the lime and ginger and vinegar and blah. I don't do all that. I rinse it. I peel off the fat, peel off the slime, and I just do it like that. That's how I was raised. That's how we're gonna clean it. Okay? All that lemon and stuff is not me. And I'm not going to act like it's me now. Okay? Now, another thing is, now, this chicken, you really do got to clean a little bit extra. But I usually buy Perdue. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I feel like Perdue is the cleanest chicken, like, ever. I feel like they clean it in the factory. I don't care what nobody say. So, all you got to do is real life rinse afterwards. But, hey, some people say, oh no, you gotta clean it, blah blah blah. So, look, I'm cleaning the chicken. But back to my video. So we're doing lemon pepper chicken today, and I'm making some vegetables and mac and cheese. Now me, everybody know I don't make mac and cheese. I do make homemade mac and cheese, but every time I'm cooking dinner, I'm making mac and cheese out the box because my husband, he is a big behind little kid, like big kid. He just only like mac and cheese every day. He like it with every meal, no matter what I make it. Mac and cheese. And who you think making mac and cheese homemade every day? Not me. You get it on Sundays and special occasions. But I really do gotta make some mac and cheese because I ain't making it in a minute. And I really want some mac and cheese. And I gotta show y'all how I make my mac and cheese. Like my mom told me one time, and she said it's been good ever since. So I've been making mac and cheese ever since. But so I gotta make it, but I don't know what to make it with. And plus it get real hot in my kitchen, so I don't know what to do. But hey, anywho, so we're back to cleaning chicken, and I feel like this took longer than expected. I don't know. But yeah, hold on, Jay. Oh my God, see, he always messing up my videos. This is why I always gotta do takes. But y'all know what I'm doing now? I ain't never doing retakes ever again. Barry, run now. I ain't keep doing retakes. Go Pepper. So, I'm sick and tired. How you get upstairs? I'm sick and tired of doing retakes. And I'm not doing it no more. Oh my God, Jay. Go. Dang. They just mess up all the videos. That's why I'm never going to get famous. Because kids always messing up videos. But, I'm not doing retakes no more. So, whatever y'all get, right? Because it just taking too long to edit. And then I'm supposed to do a 100-day challenge. And it's not working out for me. If I keep doing retakes, I'm not going to finish the video. And if I don't finish the video, I can't post it that day. So, for me to post the video that day, y'all getting all the raw cuts. Okay? Okay. So, now we get to season my chicken. Now, this is lemon pepper chicken. So, I really didn't do that much seasoning. But, I got to put adobo. Adobo is my favorite seasoning. I put that on everything. I even put that on my fries. I got to put adobo on everything. Adobo, everything. Everything is adobo. Okay? I don't even use salt no more. If you need salt, I'm using adobo. That's all. That's it. So, the seasoning I used was adobo, basil. I think I used garlic. That's Italian. And you also saw this little trick on TikTok. Everybody else hated it because they said the season come out too much. But I love it. I mean, it's each his own. If you don't like it, I love it. So, now, here comes the main ingredient. Lemon pepper seasoning, and you gotta dress it. Now the seasoning, all the other seasonings I only put on one side, but the lemon pepper You gotta put on both sides. You gotta do it. You just got to. So it can be drenched. Now, I feel like my husband said it was perfect, but I feel like I put too much, so I kind of messed up a little bit. But he loved it. My sister loved it. Everybody loved it, but me. I just feel like it was too much. But me personally, when I'm cooking for myself, I really don't season my stuff a lot. So I be forgetting, like, the more the season, the more he loved it. So he just loved this shit. But today I'm not baking it. I'm actually frying it. And I like my husband lemon pepper chicken better than mine. Like, every time I want lemon pepper chicken, I tell him to make it. But he didn't want me to cook today, so I guess I had to cook. And plus I had to make a video about what's for dinner. So this is what y'all getting. Y'all getting what's for dinner. Yeah, this is what y'all getting. So lemon pepper chicken all over it. And I used his air fryer today. Oh, I guess I did put some more adobo in it. Oh, I lied. But only adobo though, right? Nope, I lied again. Basil too. Dang, what else did I put on this? Let's see. Dang, I put all of them? I guess I put all of them. I put a little bit of everything on both sides. But lemon pepper, you gotta put on all sides. Now, this is the air fryer. This is my husband's air fryer. My air fryer and microwave is in my room because we don't got a lot of space in our kitchen. Big behind kitchen, no space. If you know, you know. Like, just the kitchen, like the sink counters, none of that. Kitchen, big. It's bigger than, like, same size as my room for no reason. But so I'm putting it in the air fryer. Now, air fryer, I'm still learning how to work this. I don't know how to work the air fryer no more. Like, I'm still learning how to work it. I'm still trying to learn how the temperatures, how to put certain stuff on certain temperatures and on certain minutes and stuff like that to make it crispy and everything. I still don't know. Y'all saw the little picture? Good. Now, we on to the vegetables, right? So, my husband killed me. Almost killed me because he don't like carrots. And he's a big little kid that don't like carrots. But mac and cheese, always there, right? And this was the finishing touches. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.